I'm currently on the Carnival Conquest for a 3-day cruise out of Miami, going to Nassau as the only port of call. I am staying in an interior cabin, so let's go check it out. As you come into the door, to the right are the closets. Big closet here, space above, multiple hangers, as well as space below. Then you have another one here. Above it, you can see the life jackets, more hangers, and ample space here as well. You know, space there that you can put your luggage if you so desire. You can always put your luggage underneath the bed. And one last closet, even more shelving space. Now, I am solo cruising, so this is ample amount of space for me for this 3-day cruise. Now, to the left, when you come into the cabin, will be your bathroom. Now you have to be careful because there is a step that is going into the bathroom. Once we get into the bathroom, right to the left we see the shower. Regular size shower for these Carnival indoor cabins. This inside cabins. You will see a shower gel as well as shampoo and the shower curtain, and you will have a dish for your soap. See the toilet, the hand towels, the towels, and ample amount of shelving here, guys, for you to use for your cruise. Again, I am solo cruiser on this ship, so it is ample amount of space and ample amount of shelves for this 3-day cruise. And enough counter space as well to hold even more things as you desire. Coming out of the bathroom, we come into the bedroom space. Straight ahead from the door is the bed. Nice size bed. To the left and right of the bed, you will see that there are lamps. The one thing I do like about this room is that there are USB so that you can plug it in right in the lamp. You will see also underneath the lamp some storage. So both places, they have a place where you can plug in your USB cords. I think that is great. Now, to the right of me, you can see there is this countertop. I do have my waters, which I usually like to order in advance. And I do love their chocolate chip cookies. Underneath is the fridge. So underneath you will see the fridge. Right next to this is a table, a small tables with your beach towels. Now, this is the desk that I have for my cruise. It is a small TV, so if you're looking for a big TV in this room, you will be disappointed. This is the TV. Beneath it, in these cabinets, is the safe. And below, once again, you have more space to be able to put some of your items. Nice size desk. And here you will find your phone and one outlet, 110 volt outlet here on the desk, as well as a 220 volt outlet as well. So this is the only one I've seen in the room. So it's not a lot that they give you in this cabin. I'm just trying to give you some more views of the cabin itself. So as a solo cruiser, this is ample amount of space for me for this 3-day cruise. I don't think I need any more space than this. The only drawbacks is if you wanted more outlets, they don't have enough outlets, but they do have those capability that if you bring your USB cords, at least they have those options in the lab. But if you want more outlets for your plugs, then you'll have to bring some type of an adapter or something of that nature for yourself. So I like the space. I like the closets. It has a lot of closets, ample amount for me. So the only thing obviously is the small TV. So, but 3-day cruise, I may not be in here too long. But if you're on a 7-day cruise or longer than three days, maybe there may be times when you may be in the cabin longer and would like to have a big screen TV. So it's not on this cabin, not in this. It's not in this cabin and not on this ship. So just a heads up. So what do you think about it, family? Can you do me a favor? Like, comment, subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. And until next time, happy travels.